this our channel. If this one is the first time they come across our video, I beg make you do well to go follow us and subscribe. And as you subscribe, don't forget to turn on that notification bell so that all our news go to enter your phone as if na text message. Oh, this one not be them say this one I see for yourself, make you hear am for yourself. Oh, and here they bring all this sedimented gist, they come your way. Oh, on to that news, we all know happy boys now. Happy boys where OPM pastor don't carry go circles, can't say he wants to sponsor them for university. Along the way, he not confit carry on because of their currency. Because when they come back to Nigeria, all these boys say they come back home. They come they throw yab, give the man a whole pastor for that matter. Oh, help, you know, go actually kill this man. Now this boy just still come out again, come beg. Oh, they know they beg the pastor. Say things no they go well with them. Say where the pastor forgive them. My people, make una watch this video.
We are here to say a very big sorry to Nigerians, most especially Papa OPM worldwide. We know that we have wronged him and we have admitted our mistake. Please find a place in your heart and forgive us.
Even if he wants us to come back to Nigeria right now, just to get his forgiveness, we're going to come back. Guys, we are really sorry. Nigerians, please, you guys should forgive us. That the OPM, we are really sorry. Anywhere you are, please find a way in your heart to forgive us. We know that we have wronged you and we have admitted the mistakes. Even if you want us to come back to Nigeria now to get your forgiveness, sir, we are going to come back to Nigeria. I mean, it took us out from Nigeria to Cyprus.
It's not easy.
It took us out from trenches to this good life. Daddy, we are really sorry.
We are very, very sorry.
Even if you want us to come back to Nigeria now, we'll come back just to get your forgiveness. And everybody in Nigeria, we are really sorry, guys.
Please find a place in your heart and forgive us.
Please.
We are very sorry.
We admit all the mistakes, everything that happened. We blame ourselves for that.
Even if the video won't come out, it's not supposed to be on phone. It's not supposed to be from us. That's why we are here to say sorry. You guys should find a place in your heart and forgive us.
But everybody in Nigeria, both in US, Nigerians are in US, UK, Canada, anywhere in the world, please, you guys should find a place in your heart to forgive us. Things are not going well for us. Things are not really going well for us. Please, you guys should forgive us. We need your blessings. Daddy, we need your blessings too. Please, we are sorry. We are really, really sorry, sir. Please, forgive us. We know that we have wronged a lot of Nigerians. Please, we are sorry.
We are very, very sorry.
It's coming out from our mind, our heart. Please, we are sorry. Forgive us. Daddy OPM, please forgive us.
And we won't talk about anything concerning you again for the rest of our life. We won't try it. This is a promise, sir.
We will make the promise, sir. We will not talk anything about you anymore. We want to move further. We need your blessings, sir, and prayers, sir. Thank you very much to Nigerians and everybody who watched this video. We are really sorry to you guys.
My people, hope now that watch the video finish. Now that you're waiting, these happy boys get to talk. What do not think concerning this matter? Because they are on there now, off and on. No, they beg today, tomorrow they curse. They beg today, tomorrow they curse. They don't see beg Nigeria as a whole way they forgive them. I would like to know our opinion. Make una drop na comment for comment section. Until we meet again for another news, make una do well to stay safe. Una do.